Hello, everyone. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast.
And I'm Anna. Today we have a very practical topic, something we all love, food.
Yes, today we're talking about ordering food at a restaurant.
This is such an important topic for English learners because when you travel, one of the first things you do is eat.
Exactly. And sometimes ordering food can feel scary. You look at the menu, the waiter is waiting, and your brain just stops working.
Yes, suddenly you forget all your English. Even simple words like water disappear.
Don't worry. After today's episode, you'll feel more confident. We'll go step by step from entering the restaurant to paying the bill.
Let's imagine you walk into a restaurant. What usually happens first?
First, someone might say, "Hello, table for how many?"
That means they're asking how many people are in your group.
If you are alone, you can say, "Table for one, please." If you are with a friend, "Table for two, please."
Very simple. And then the host or hostess will take you to your table.
After you sit down, the waiter or waitress will usually give you a menu.
Sometimes they say, "Here's the menu. I'll be back in a few minutes."
That means you have time to look at the menu and decide.
Let's talk about the menu. What kind of sections are usually on a menu?
Good question. Most menus have starters or appetizers, main courses, drinks, and desserts.
A starter or appetizer is a small dish you eat before the main meal.
For example, soup, salad, or garlic bread.
The main course is the big dish, like pasta, steak, chicken, or fish.
And dessert is something sweet at the end, cake, ice cream, or fruit.
Now imagine the waiter comes back and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
If you need more time, you can say, "Not yet, please. We need a few more minutes."
That's very polite. If you are ready, you can say, "Yes, we're ready."
Let's practice a simple order. I'll be the customer. Anna, you're the waiter.
Okay. Hello, what would you like to order?
I'd like the chicken pasta, please.
Good. And would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. Very easy.
Notice I said I'd like. That is short for I would like. It sounds polite.
You can also say, "Can I have?" For example, "Can I have the tomato soup?"
Both are common and natural.
Now let's talk about special requests. Sometimes you don't want something in your food.
Yes, maybe you don't like onions. You can say, "Can I have the burger without onions?"
Or, "No cheese, please."
If you have an allergy, this is very important. You can say, "I'm allergic to nuts."
Or, "Does this dish contain dairy?"
That question is very useful. Does this contain? You can use it for anything.
Now let's imagine your food arrives. The waiter puts the plate in front of you.
You can say, "Thank you."
Always say thank you. It makes you sound friendly.
But what if there's a problem? Maybe you ordered chicken, but you got fish.
Oh no, that happens sometimes.
Don't panic. Just say politely, "Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered."
Or, "Sorry, I ordered the chicken, not the fish."
Stay calm and polite. Usually they will apologize and fix the mistake.
Now let's talk about checking if the food is good. The waiter might ask, "Is everything okay?"
If you're happy, say, "Yes, everything is great. Thank you."
If something is wrong, you can say, "Actually, the soup is a bit cold."
A bit sounds softer and more polite than "this is cold."
Yes, English people often use softer language to be polite.
After you finish eating, what happens next?
You usually ask for the bill. In American English, people say check. In British English, they say bill.
You can say, "Can we have the bill, please?"
Or just make eye contact and say, "The bill, please."
Now let's talk about paying. Sometimes you pay by cash, sometimes by card.
If you want to pay by card, you can say, "Can I pay by card?"
If you are with friends, you might want to pay separately.
Yes, you can say, "Can we split the bill?"
That means each person pays for their own food.
Or sometimes you can say, "We'll pay together."
And don't forget about tipping. In some countries, you give extra money to the waiter.
In the United States, tipping is very common. In other countries, it's different.
It's always good to check the local culture before you travel.
Let's do a full mini role play from beginning to end.
Great idea. I'll be the customer again.
Welcome. Table for how many?
Table for two, please.
This way, please. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with rice.
And to drink?
I'll have orange juice, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Here's your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious.
Great. Would you like dessert?
Yes, can I see the dessert menu?
Of course.
I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
Excellent choice.
That sounds so good. Now I'm hungry.
Me too. Recording this podcast before lunch was a bad idea.
Next time, we eat first and then talk.
Good plan.
Before we finish, let's give our listeners some quick tips.
Tip number 1, don't be afraid to ask questions.
Tip number 2, use polite phrases like please and thank you.
Tip number 3, practice at home. You can practice with a friend or even alone.
You can also watch restaurant scenes in movies or TV shows and listen carefully.
The more you listen, the more confident you will feel.
Remember, waiters are used to different accents. It's okay if your English is not perfect.
Yes, communication is more important than perfect grammar.
So next time you go to a restaurant, take a deep breath and try in English.
And enjoy your meal.
Food and English. That's a great combination.
Absolutely.